Overcoming anxiety and doubt. Take your steps now. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to overcome anxiety and doubt in life. When we feel anxious and doubtful, taking action is the key to overcoming these emotions. Let's begin with inspiring quotes from famous individuals from around the world. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Mahatma Gandhi. As Mahatma Gandhi said, true strength comes from having an indomitable will. When we feel anxious and doubtful, we need to find the courage within ourselves to take steps forward. Advice. The first step to overcome anxiety and doubt is to recognize the source of our worries. What is causing us to feel anxious and doubtful? Understand that most anxieties and doubts originate from our own thoughts. Once we identify the source, we can take tangible actions to confront and overcome these feelings. Success is not about avoiding obstacles, but about gaining confidence to face them. Unknown. As an unknown author once said, success is not about avoiding obstacles with ease. Instead, it is about gaining the confidence to face obstacles head-on. Advice. To overcome anxiety and doubt, we need to build our self-confidence. Focus on our strengths and positive qualities. Remember that we have the potential to face challenges and achieve our desired goals. Take your steps now with confidence and courage. Fear is a prison that holds you back. Courage is the key to set yourself free. Steve Jobs. As Steve Jobs famously said, fear can be a prison that hinders our growth. However, with courage, we can break free from the limitations imposed by fear. Advice. Don't let fear control our lives. Confront fear with courage. Getting accustomed to taking healthy risks and gradually facing our fears will help us overcome anxiety and doubt. In life, we often face anxiety and doubt. However, by taking action and confronting them with courage, we can overcome these emotions. Remember that courage and self-confidence are the keys to overcoming anxiety and doubt. Thank you for watching our video on how to overcome anxiety and doubt in life. The inspiring quotes from famous individuals have reminded us of the importance of courage and self-belief. Take your steps now and face anxiety and doubt with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational and inspirational content. Take your steps now and embrace a more meaningful life. See you in the next video.